Alright, so for today's review, we got Anthony's Pizza, you know. Real quick, I know I've been gone for a while, but that's because like I didn't have any air. I had no AC, so it was like 90 degrees and I was sweating bullets, so it's kind of hard to edit videos when it's 90 degrees outside. But I fixed that.
It's about damn time. It's about damn time.
So we good. But yeah, man, we got Anthony's Pizza. Look at that. Hold on. Woo! The deep dish.
Muy bien. Muy bien.
Yes, sir. You feel me? I got the whole gang with me. Well, we got more people coming. I ain't get Austin in the shot. Let him know. That boy Austin.
Hey, it's your boy.
Boy, if you don't.
He's extra. He's definitely extra. But yeah, man. Today's excursion or event, we got Anthony's Pizza. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Bruh! Y'all see what I deal with? So we got 4 pizzas. We got the meat lovers. We got the New York cheese. We got the basic one, which is pepperoni and cheese. And then we got the Chicago deep dish, which is with yum yum sauce and bacon. I know, right? She is sexy. She's pretty thick. Very thick. So yeah, man, we're gonna dig in and we're gonna see what's going on. All right, so everybody has their food. You know, some of us have eaten quicker more than others, but
everything, man.
yeah, I see.
I haven't even tried mine.
I had to.
All right, so go ahead and bite. See what you think.
So we're trying the pepperoni first.
You can try whatever you want.
What's this one right here?
That's the meat. That's the meat lover that you got right there.
This one's really, I like this.
You struggling? Okay.
I mean, the meat lovers.
I don't like soft pizza, so that's fine.
It tastes as you would expect it to taste. But something about it makes it stand out. Can't put my finger on it though. Try this other pizza right here. What's this one right here?
Yum yum sauce
Yum yum sauce pizza.
and bacon.
It's a custom made one.
Yeah,
I'm gonna say it's got a bacon yum yum flavor.
it's crazy. Yeah, fire. You guys like the food so far?
This is really good.
You rock with it?
I like the yum yum one a lot.
Okay.
I do. I like how thin it is.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this. Crazy, I've been living here all these years. Never tried Anthony.
I told you.
What is that again?
Anthony's.
It did something here.
By the way, you guys, I'll put the address in the description below. But overall, I mean, you see we out here smacking. You feel me?
Too.
Right. Anthony's 10 out of 10. In Bexley, hometown, homemade.
Yes,
You
sir.
feel me?
Yes, sir.
Probably top 5 pizza and it's not top 5. You feel me?
All day.
On that note, I'm DJ Bees. This is the crew. Austin, Carly. Boy, got them golf balls. Damn! We forgot Tiara.
Hi, it's your girl Tiara, aka Lady T.
That's enough. All right. All right, man. Let's eat this, taste that, man. We out.